Hey guys, wanna know how to find the best cars for beginners in Asphalt 9? Well, no worries, but in this video, I'm gonna give you some small guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, what you need to do is, since you are a beginner, you need to focus on D and C class cars. Early on, you will mostly unlock lower class cars, but some of them are seriously good. For beginner picks, I'd choose the Chevrolet Camaro LT, which is great balance of speed and handling. Volkswagen XL Sports, which is easy to control and perfect for learning drift and intro timing. And of course, Ginetta G60, a beast in Class D with solid acceleration and top speed. Make sure you also check stats before upgrading. Always compare stats like acceleration and nitro before investing your credits and blueprints. Use career mode or testing. Try different cars in early races to see which one fits your style. More speed, better drifting, or stronger nitro. You choose. Look up tire lists. Online tire lists and YouTube comparisons can help you find meta-friendly beginner cars fast. And that's it. That's your beginner's garage guide. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.